How to file prior year taxes on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can file prior year taxes on TurboTax. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to turbotax.intuit.com. Now click on File Your Taxes drop-down. From here, select File Taxes for a prior year option. Now from here you can file your 2023 taxes. If you want 2021, select here. If you want the taxes for 2022, select here. Now to file 2023 taxes, select your TurboTax product from here. Click on the Buy Now option. Now select your operating system. After that, sign in and complete your purchase. Then download and install the software on your computer. Now you want to open TurboTax. Then complete your return for that year. That includes entering the details such as personal info, income and expenses, deductions and credits. Then review all the information you have entered. Now, when you're done, TurboTax will walk you through the steps to print and mail your return. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.